Okay, I don't know whether you'll use the dishwasher, but it's new when we moved into the house, so it's less than a year, but it's got a design fault basically. Well, two design faults. So if you're going to buy a Philips Whirlpool dishwasher from IKEA, beware, buyer beware. Anyway, looked here next to the sink, this thing. Now the first one is this. Look at the lovely cottage kitchen effect covering for the dishwasher, and this is made. These are designed to be used together, and in less than a year the heat, I assume it's the heat, either the heat or the steam has buggered this. Anyway, so thank you IKEA Whirlpool. Anyway, look inside, this is the worst. Oh look, it's full of rubbish. Basically in the bottom, at the back, look, oh, this big pipe coming down from the back here connects into the floor just around the back here, and sometimes after washing it actually kind of pops out, so basically you just need to click it into place, but you do need to check it before you put it on, because if you put it on without doing it, all the stuff goes scuzzy and it's not very nice. So that's that.